Hi there, students. To rid, a verb. Also, it could be an adjective. And most commonly, we use this in the phrase to get rid of. You can also be rid of something. Let's see, to rid is to free someone or something from something that they don't want, from something that's bad or it's unwanted or it's harmful. So, yeah, we need to rid the sewers of the city of cockroaches. So notice the direct object of rid is the place or the person that is going to be free, and the indirect object of something. So I need to rid myself of all of these depressing thoughts. So I need to rid myself of reflexive, but much easier. I need to get rid of these depressing thoughts, and that's why to get rid of is much more common. It's just easier to use. Okay, so to rid, to liberate yourself from something harmful or something that you just don't want. So, to get rid of, to throw away something that you don't want. We need to get rid of this rubbish. You could say we need to rid ourselves of this rubbish, but more normally we need to get rid of it. That cream got rid of the spots on my hand. Yeah. We need to find a way to get rid of the mice in this house. Or maybe to get rid of possessions that you don't want. So I got rid of that piece of furniture by selling it in an auction. Yeah, to get rid of somebody, to send them away, to persuade them to leave. So my uncle came to stay, and it took me ages to get rid of them. Yeah. How do I get rid of this terrible smell? So to be rid of something, not to have something that's unwanted. I'm finally rid of that horrible smell. Yeah, I got rid of it by ventilating brutally. How do I get rid of this mark on my white shirt? Okay, so to get rid of is effectively the same as rid. It just uses different grammar. I think also rid is probably a little bit more formal. Yeah. I'm glad to be rid of that problematic piece of homework. Yeah. Okay, I'm glad to be rid of it. I'm glad to be free of it. There it's acting as an adjective. Yeah. We need to rid this world of injustice and equality. Yeah. The mafia got rid of the politician. They killed him. Yeah. It's probably a bit old-fashioned that nowadays. Okay, so to rid oneself of something, to free yourself of something. Yeah, to make a place or a person free of something they really don't want. Yeah, we have to get rid of these old-fashioned ideas and bring in some new ones. But then you can use get rid of as well. So to get rid of, to do away with, to throw away, to throw out, to clear out, to discard, to dump, to bin, to jettison, to weed out, to ditch, to dump, yeah, to get shot of, to see the back of, to eliminate. Okay, so lots and lots of synonyms for get rid of. Yeah, so to get rid of, to free yourself of something troublesome or unwanted. Yeah, he finally managed to rid the house of those pesky cockroaches. Yeah. I don't think we will ever be rid of this COVID virus. Yeah. I don't think we're ever going to rid ourselves of it. So get rid of it. Yeah. Yes, you need to get rid of this way of thinking. You need to rid yourself of this thinking. Okay, so let's look at this a little bit more. Let's see, to rid. An informal, I was going to say informal, no, a regular verb or an irregular verb, but nearly always we use rid, rid, rid. You can say ridded and ridded, but it's not common. To rid oneself of, I would probably give it a 6 in formality. To get rid of, I think maybe 4.5 in formality. I think both of them you could use more or less anywhere. I think in a very formal writing I would use rid instead of get rid of. Yeah? Okay, so to rid, to make something go, to deliver yourself from something undesirable, to make yourself free of it, to disencumber yourself of something that you don't want. Yeah, we need to rid this society of superstition and base things on scientific fact. Yeah, so to get rid of, to eliminate, to discard. It's time I got rid of this jersey and got a new one. It's time I was rid of it. Yeah, I just can't get rid of this feeling that there's something that's just not quite right. Yeah, I wonder if soon the Russian nation will get rid of their president, okay? If they will rid themselves of him. So notice the rid themselves of him, slightly more formal. Let's see, as to origin, okay, there was an Old English word, hredan, to rescue, to free from, which comes from Proto-Germanic, hrajana, to save, yeah, which itself comes from Proto-Indo-European, rued, meaning to clear land. Okay, let's see. To rid yourself of something, to free from a hindrance, from an annoyance. Yeah, we need to get rid of this. Yeah, to make it go. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To rid, to get rid of, to be rid of.